Um, it's more than me. But if I was to decide kung ako man po, siguro it would be proper na to really go back to the ICC. Ako lang naman po to.
Bakit, sir?
Well, mas malaki po yung saklaw, meron kang bigger range of accountability. Kasi nga, kahapon nag-celebrate tayo ng International Human Rights. So, wala naman po ako nakikita na rason kung bakit hindi. Kasi kung wala ka namang problema with your courts and your local, okay lang. But again, we are a founding member. So, for me personally, sa akin lang po to hindi po to thought ng buong House of Representatives. I don't see any issue or if we decide na we would go back or be a member again at the ICC.
Sir, kasi ang lagi nila sinasabi, parang sinusuko daw natin yung sovereignty natin kapag bumalik tayo sa ICC.
Hindi naman ganun yun. Ano lang yun, that's a very political answer for me. Pero again, hindi naman po, korte naman po yan eh. So, meron pong mga proseso yan, may pinagdadaanan. Hindi naman po basta-bastang, pag may problemang ganito, ICC na, hindi naman ganito.
Di pa po ako natanong, pero we really have to look at the grounds also. I mean, what is the reason, di po ba? The pros and cons. Kasi kung titignan mo, ang US, hindi naman sila member ng ICC, di ba? And yet, they're there. They're a democratic country. So, tignan din ho natin, ano ba ang may mapapakinabangan ba tayo kung sa ICC tayo? Ano naman ang cons kung wala tayo sa ICC? We really have to wait. Kasi minsan siguro baka dalala ng galit, bukso ng damdamin, kaya nakakapag-desisyon tayo. We really have to make a decision on our own, di ba? Tapos as individually. Kasi it doesn't mean to say kung majority, lahat na kami sa Kongreso isang ayon. You really have to ask everybody. Siguro, idaan siguro sa botohan. Di ba, botohan tayo, 310 congressman. Anong gusto niyo, ICC tayo o hindi? Besides, the President already said, walang ICC. What does it tell you? Para namang hindi tayo majority, para namang hindi tayo pro-administration ng Congress kung susuwayin natin sinasabi ng mama sa itaas. It has to be carefully studied.